God is saying to you today, my friend, the tables have finally turned and you are victorious. You should celebrate everything that you have gone through up to this point because God is so proud of you. And today is the day where your new life begins, where the gates of heaven are going to open and you get to enjoy heaven on earth. Your thinking, your relationship with God, your faith has changed so much drastically. And we are collectively going through this mass awakening. And I truly feel like going forward, things are going to be different for the people who have been chosen, who hear from God and believe in Him fully. So that's what's going to lead you into the next era where you're going to really relish in the security and provision and safety of God's shadow because He is there and nothing could take Him. As big and as bad as things seem or can seem, and it's not real. It's not real. God is bigger than anything man could come up with. God is bigger than anything Satan can come up with. So just trust that this point on, things are only going to get better and better and better from here. If you believe this to be true, let me know in the comments because this is a testimony of your faith. If you don't believe that things can get better, if you don't believe that there's light at the end of the tunnel and that there is a purpose to everything that is happening, then you fully don't truly believe in God and you don't trust Him fully. And that's okay because He is there no matter what. You only need a tiny, tiny sliver, tiny mustard seed of faith, and God will grow it for you as long as you are willing to believe. So I hope that you take this message. I hope that it resonated. And if it did, let me know. Hit that like button. Send this to others who need to hear it. Otherwise, I cannot wait to see you in the next video. I love you so much. But remember, God loves you more.